If you want to switch tabs in Chrome quickly, there are a few simple keyboard shortcuts that can save you a lot of time every single day. Instead of reaching for your mouse and clicking through each tab, you can move around your browser much faster with just a few keys. This is especially useful if you keep lots of tabs open for work, research, school, or even just everyday browsing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To move to the next tab in Chrome, press Ctrl and Tab at the same time. This shortcut takes you one tab to the right each time you press it, so if you're working through several open pages, you can keep moving forward without slowing down. If you want to go back to the previous tab, press Ctrl, Shift, and Tab together. This is the reverse shortcut, and it moves you one tab to the left. It's perfect when you accidentally go too far or need to return to the tab you were just using. Now, if you want to jump directly to a specific tab, Chrome gives you another easy shortcut. Press Ctrl plus the number keys from 1 through 8. So Ctrl 1 opens the first tab, Ctrl 2 opens the second tab, and so on. This is a very fast way to go straight to the tab you need without cycling through the others. And if you want to jump all the way to the last tab on the far right, press Ctrl and 9. That shortcut is especially useful when you have a lot of tabs open and you just want to get to the end quickly. So to recap, Ctrl tab moves to the next tab, Ctrl Shift tab moves to the previous tab, Ctrl 1 through 8 jumps to a specific tab, and Ctrl 9 takes you to the last tab. Once you get used to these shortcuts, switching tabs in Chrome becomes second nature and much faster than using the mouse. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.